snakes. They are so cool. Did you know snakes are carnivores? That means that they only eat meat. Also, snakes don't have eyelids. This right here is your eyelid. Can you imagine not having an eyelid? You just look around all the time without being able to blink. Staring contest? I can't. They also have jaws that are flexible. So that means that they can eat food that's bigger than their head. Imagine trying to eat a watermelon. I can't even imagine. So in your week 6 packet, you have a writing that is all about snakes. The first question asks you to write words about what snakes look like. The crazy thing is that there are 3,000 types of snakes. There's 3,000 different species. So snakes can look like so many things. There are blue snakes, red snakes, yellow snakes, big snakes, small snakes. Here are some pictures. What do you see? Write down words that describe their color. What does their body look like? Is it long, short, skinny, thick? How about their head? And their skin? Think of as many words as you can. Next, it asks us to describe what a snake sounds like. Okay, close your eyes. Turn on your listening ears. Are they on? Now really listen carefully. What do you hear? What does that sound like? Can you compare it to another sound? Is it loud? Soft? When you're finished writing what a snake sounds like, it asks us to write a story about a snake. To write a story, we have to think about, number 1, who's in the story? Number 2, where is the story taking place? And number 3, what happens? So, in my story, who's in it? Me, my sister, and a snake. Number 2, where are we? We're in the Amazon rainforest in South America. And number 3, what happens? In my story, my sister and I are walking in the rainforest. A Yellow Snake by Nicole Partouche. Taylor and Nicole are walking in the rainforest. The trees are so tall you can't see the tops of them. The leaves and branches crackle under our feet. Everything is so green. Sitting on a flower, we see a snake. The snake is bright yellow. It is small, but its eyes are big. Above its eyes are spikes. They look like eyelashes. We can hear the snake. It is hissing at a bird. It moves its body carefully on the flower. It flicks its tail. Taylor and Nicole continue walking. They want to leave the snake in peace while it eats the bird for lunch. The end. Now it's your turn. Write a story about a snake. And remember, number 1, character. Who's in your story? Number 2, setting. Where is your story? And number 3, plot. What happens? After you're done writing the story, draw a picture. And if you're as interested in these snakes as I am, here's some activities you can do at home with your family, okay? Number 1, make a flying snake out of a paper plate. Number 2, read a book about a snake. Number 3, act like a snake. Remember, you don't have arms or legs. Try to do ordinary things without your arms or your legs. Can you write while acting like a snake? Eat? Move from one room to the other? Have fun together, and please send the teachers at the Learning Community Center your amazing snake stories. Have fun, and remember, wash your hands.